Hey all you Scratches out there, today I'm going to teach you how to make a scroller game in Scratch. So basically, a scroller game, if you didn't know, was where the sprite is in the middle of the screen and the background moves, otherwise known as the ground. Like, the background can move, but it doesn't have to, but the ground moves. So it makes it look like the sprite is moving, but it isn't. So first we're going to create a new project. Load. Okay, and we're going to name it Scroller Game. Scroller. And let's get rid of this annoying cat because it's pretty annoying. And we're going to make a new sprite. I'm just going to call it Green Ball because I'm going to make it Green Ball. There are different kinds of scroller games. There are like horizontal ones where the ground moves and it's moving this way and this way. But like there are also top-down views where you can like look at it from the top. So I'm going to do that one. We're just going to make a simple circle. Or a black square. Yeah, a black square is good. Over here to over here. Yay, we made it. Okay, and I want this to be in the middle all the time. So go to 0, 0. Okay, and now we're gonna make two variables called scroll x and scroll y. These are pretty important. Okay. What? Oh, okay, I typed in scroll x. Scroll y. Yeah. Now, we're actually gonna make a new sprite. We're gonna name it the ground. Wait, no, we don't need the ground right now, actually. We're not gonna get rid of that though. So, the ground I'm gonna do in bitmap. And just gonna make it green. Oh, let me rename this. It's not Green Ball. Mark square. So the ground's gonna be green, and we're gonna make a few obstacles. Convert this to vector. I'm just gonna make a rock, because why not? Just a nice little rock. Yeah, and I'm gonna reshape this so it looks better. There, that's nice. With the gray color and this color. Nice little rock. Okay, we're gonna move this here and name this thing rock. Now, when green flag clicked, I'm gonna make it go to here, -90, -52. But forever, if I'm going to do WASD on this game, which is W as in up, A left, S down, D is right. So if W key pressed, then we're going to change the Y by scroll Y. And we need to set the scroll Y first. So this is basically just the player speed. So I'm gonna set it to 15. Yeah. And for the running scripts, you can be like if you saw my video on how to make a cool running script with all the ghost effect and all the color changes, you could do that, but it's a little difficult. Or you could just do like a simple script like this. So we're going to change the Y by scroll I, which is 15. And actually, we're going to change this and make it 1 times scroll y, which is negative 15. Some people may ask, hey Dusty Boy, but if it's going negative 15, isn't this going down? Well, yeah, we need that, because in a scroller game, the background is moving. So if we want this guy to move up, then the background has to move down. And this is going to be S. And we're going to duplicate this. No. Okay. Duplicate this and change this to A and D, which is left and right. And we're going to swap these two. Change these into scroll X. And we're going to set scroll X to 15. Okay, that should work. Did I do something wrong again? Oh, yeah, this is a Y. So drag these in and take this out. Now it should work. Yeah, see? The rock is moving, but the player isn't. And one problem you're going to see is that this rock is going to be stuck on the edge. Like, it won't go into the edge all the way. And there are some advanced scripts to change that, but I'm just going to do the easy way, which is make a border. Call this the border. Okay, convert this to vector. And yeah. Hey, this is going to be black. I forgot to change this back to the filled rectangle. Has to be thick enough though. And if this is like a little bit like off center, then it doesn't matter. After this part, you can just copy paste stuff. Like here. Nah, that's good. Copy paste this, which is gonna go up here. Okay, and we're gonna make this go to 0, 0. Yeah, here. Here. There. So now you won't be able to see the rock when it goes there. I actually think that the edge is a little big, so we can change that if we want. I mean the border, not the edge. Just a little bit should be fine. Now, there, it still covers it up, but try and make it as like thin as you can to avoid suspicion. And now, if we hide the variables, now we got a good script. And now we're gonna do the part where. So we're gonna first actually. Yeah, okay. See, you might experience a problem. I mean, you should experience a problem where the square just goes right through the rock and through everything. And that is solvable. So here, there's an advanced way to solve it, but I'll just do an easy way. So if touching block square. No, actually, we're gonna have to do it in this one. So forever, if touching block square, I mean the rock. Then we're gonna repeat until, and repeat until not touching rock. Repeat until not touching rock. You're gonna turn 90 degrees and move 10 steps. It's kind of stupid and it's really simple, but it should work. Nope, it's not working. Okay. Then we're gonna make it point towards the rock and move negative 10 steps. Okay, remember to save your work. And yeah, there will be a problem that's going to point in weird directions, but it should get it away from the rock. And one way to solve it is to just make our square point to the mouse pointer all the time. So it's like that kind of game. And you should also put eyes on the square or any other sprite you're using. So I'm gonna give it white eyes because it's black. Oh, that's horrible. I'm just gonna get it red eyes. There, looks kind of evil. It works. Great. This should work. Yeah, it works. Okay, that's all, guys. Remember to save your work, be nice to people, and always be a scratcher. Peace.